Hello, fellow traders! Today, we're diving deep into the intriguing world of trading, focusing on BITF, also known as BitFarms. Now buckle up because this is not your ordinary trade. We're navigating through high-risk waters, and here's why. We're living in a time where tech stocks like AAPL are soaring to all-time highs, and the tech sector is following suit. It's an exhilarating ride, but there's a catch, and we're about to delve into that. So, let's get started. If there's a correction in the tech stocks, it could potentially send shockwaves through the entire market. Currently, we're seeing giants like AAPL soaring to all-time highs, with the tech sector riding the wave. It's a thrilling journey, yet one that comes with its own set of challenges. Any significant shift could ripple through the market, affecting stocks in other sectors, including BITF. With this broader picture in mind, let's shift our focus to the crypto resurgence. Cryptocurrencies, especially BTC and ETH, have been on a remarkable run for the past several months. The interesting part, crypto miner stocks like BITF are basking in the dual benefits of both traditional and crypto markets. After a lengthy bear season, cryptocurrencies have re-emerged stronger than ever, with the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the charge. This resurgence has breathed new life into crypto mining stocks. However, it's not all rainbows and sunshine. Crypto mining companies, including BITF, face volatility and a host of other challenges. But let's not forget, crypto miner stocks have their own set of challenges. They're notorious for high volatility and lesser liquidity compared to their larger cap counterparts. Now, with these risk factors in mind, let's dissect the potential opportunities in stocks like BITF and Riot. Recently, BITF has been riding a wave of enthusiasm, starting from a humble 1.23. Intriguingly, this rally has been accompanied by a surge in volume, indicating substantial market interest. After blowing past the consolidation at 1.86, the stock continues its upward trajectory, fueled by this significant volume. Now let's talk resistance. Preliminary resistance at the previous trading range of 3.36 has managed to hold its ground for the time being. Now, the intriguing part of trading BITF lies in its resistance levels and price targets. Currently, BITF poses a higher risk buy as it dangles just below 3. A savvy move? Try dollar cost averaging in at levels under 2 for a strategic entry. As we analyze the chart, it seems like a 5 price target might be in the works at some point. The stock is gradually testing previous support levels, indicating a potential breakout from the defined trading range, but remember, this is not without risk. As we gaze into the future, it's clear that BITF could be on the cusp of a promising upside, especially if the crypto trend perseveres and the wider market retains its stability. So to wrap it up, stocks like BITF and Riot might have significant upside if the crypto trend continues and the broader market remains stable. However, these are higher risk plays, and as always, do your due diligence, manage your risks wisely, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.